Hello guys and welcome on control panel overview of Dishwasher Candy RapidO. So the first program, it's a quick program, 49 minutes, 60 degrees of Celsius, and you can use the tap function. The next one is a normal mode, 60 degrees of Celsius, 131 minutes of length. The half load function and the tap function it's activated for this. Can be activated for this program. The number 3 it's a echo, 45 degrees, the 233 minutes of length. You can use the half load function and the tap function. The next one is an intensive mode, 75 degrees, 135 minutes of length, and you can use only the tap function here. The last one is just rising, 10 minutes, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.